How to change language in Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language of Viber into your native language. It's really simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, you'll see a more button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then you'll be led to a new interference. Scroll a bit down till you see settings. Tap on settings. Now in the settings menu, at the last you'll see general. Tap on it. In the general section you'll see language. Tap on language. Now you can scroll down and select your preferred language and hit on this tick icon. And that's it. That's how you can change the language in Viber app. Isn't it simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.